Welcome to a transformative journey towards mental peace and emotional well-being. In today's video, we're exploring powerful strategies and practical tips for escaping negative thoughts and discovering a serene, peaceful state of mind. If you're tired of feeling overwhelmed by negativity or struggling with persistent worries, this guide is designed to help you regain control and find inner calm. So, find a comfortable spot, and let's embark on this journey together. 1. Understanding negative thoughts. To effectively manage and escape negative thoughts, it's crucial to understand where they come from and how they impact your life. Negative thinking patterns often stem from 1. Past experiences. Unresolved issues or past traumas can leave a lingering impact on your thought patterns. 2. Self-esteem issues. Low self-esteem can lead to persistent self-criticism and negative self-talk. 3. Stress and anxiety. High levels of stress and anxiety can fuel negative thinking, making it difficult to see situations clearly or positively. Recognizing the sources of your negative thoughts is the first step toward addressing and transforming them. 2. The power of mindfulness and self-awareness. Mindfulness and self-awareness are crucial tools for managing negative thoughts. By cultivating these practices, you can 1. Observe without judgment. Learn to observe your thoughts without attaching judgment or emotion to them. 1. This helps in distancing yourself from the negativity. 2. Stay present. Focus on the present moment rather than dwelling on past regrets or future anxieties. 2. Techniques like deep breathing and meditation can aid in grounding yourself in the here and now. Incorporate mindfulness exercises into your daily routine to foster a more balanced and peaceful mindset. 3. Challenging and reframing negative thoughts. One effective way to combat negative thinking is through cognitive restructuring. This involves 1. Identifying negative patterns. Pay attention to recurring negative thoughts and the situations that trigger them. 2. Questioning validity. Ask yourself whether these thoughts are based on facts or irrational beliefs. 2. Challenge their validity by seeking evidence that contradicts them. 3. Reframing perspectives. Replace negative thoughts with more balanced and positive ones. 3. For example, instead of thinking, "I always mess things up," try, "I made a mistake, but I can learn from it and do better next time." By actively challenging and reframing your thoughts, you can shift your mindset toward a more constructive and optimistic outlook. 4. Cultivating positive habits and self-care. Engaging in positive habits and self-care practices can significantly impact your mental well-being. Consider incorporating the following into your routine. 1. Physical activity. Regular exercise releases endorphins, which can help elevate your mood and reduce stress. 2. Healthy diet. Nourish your body with a balanced diet rich in nutrients. 2. Certain foods, such as those high in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, can support brain health and emotional stability. 3. Adequate sleep. Prioritize good sleep hygiene to ensure you're well rested. 3. Quality sleep is essential for emotional regulation and overall mental health. In addition to these habits, make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Engaging in hobbies or spending time with loved ones can provide a positive counterbalance to negative thoughts. 5. Building a support system. Having a strong support system is vital for navigating and overcoming negative thinking. Reach out to 1. Friends and family. Share your feelings and concerns with trusted individuals who can offer support and perspective. 2. Therapists or counselors. Professional help can provide valuable tools and strategies for managing negative thoughts and addressing underlying issues. 3. Support groups. Connecting with others who have similar experiences can provide comfort and encouragement. Building and nurturing a supportive network can provide you with the strength and resources needed to overcome negative thought patterns. 6. Developing healthy coping mechanisms. Finding effective ways to cope with stress and negativity is essential for maintaining mental peace. Consider these strategies. 1. Journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help process emotions and gain clarity. 2. Relaxation techniques. Practices such as progressive muscle relaxation, guided imagery, and deep breathing can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. 3. Creative outlets. Engaging in creative activities, such as painting, music, or crafting, can be a therapeutic way to express emotions and find inner peace. Experiment with different coping mechanisms to discover what works best for you. 7. Embracing gratitude and positivity. Cultivating gratitude and positivity can transform your outlook and reduce the impact of negative thoughts. Incorporate these practices into your daily life. 1. Gratitude journaling. Keep a journal where you regularly write down things you're grateful for. 1. This practice can shift your focus from what's wrong to what's going well in your life. 2. Positive affirmations. Use positive affirmations to counteract negative self-talk and reinforce a positive mindset. 3. Acts of kindness. Engage in acts of kindness towards others. 3. Helping others can boost your own sense of well-being and create a ripple effect of positivity. By integrating gratitude and positivity into your life, you can create a more uplifting and peaceful mental environment. 8. Monitoring and reflecting on your progress. Finally, it's important to monitor your progress and reflect on your journey. Keep track of 1. Improvements in your thought patterns. Notice any changes in the frequency and intensity of negative thoughts. 2. Successes and challenges. Reflect on what strategies are working and where you might need to make adjustments. Regular self-reflection can help you stay on track and continue making progress toward a more peaceful state of mind. Conclusion: escaping negative thoughts and finding peace in your mind is a journey that requires dedication, self-awareness, and the right strategies. By understanding the nature of negative thinking, practicing mindfulness, challenging and reframing your thoughts, and embracing positive habits, you can cultivate a more serene and balanced mindset. Thank you for joining us on this journey to mental peace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on improving your mental well-being. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Glowing star subscribe for more. Elevate boost.